Good afternoon to all of you, namaskaram to all of you, and thank you for your kind patience. Since a government press conference was going on, and that's the reason as to why we had to delay this process. Thank you for the patience. Friends, as you know, and we had sent a message that a very eminent personality from South India, from Tamil Nadu, is going to join the Bharatiya Janata Party today. We have on the dais today with us the National General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party, Mr. C.T. Ravi ji. We also have on the dais with us the President of Tamil Nadu Bharatiya Janata Party, Mr. Murugan ji. We have on the dais with us Mr. Jafar Islam, spokesperson and Rajya Sabha MP of Bharatiya Janata Party. And of course, the eminent personality that we were talking about, we have Ms. Khushbu Sundar with us on the dais. Thank you, Khushbu ji. And for a short introduction about Khushbu ji, though I don't think she needs an introduction, she is a famed personality all across the length and breadth of this country. Khushbu ji, in fact, is a known actor and a producer, and her political career has spanned across a decade. She was a prominent leader in DMK from 2010 till she quit due to some differences there in 2014 and joined Congress in 2014 and had been their national spokesperson representing the party from Tamil Nadu till date. Srimati Khushbu Sundar is a very popular actress who has done more than 200 movies in various Indian languages, predominantly in South. A very well-respected personality in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam industry. She has also done films in Hindi and Bhojpuri. She has ruled South India as a leading cine lady for over 2 decades. Her popularity has soared to the extent where her fans built a temple for her where she is worshipped. Srimati Khushbu Sundar has been very vocal in voicing her opinion and is known as a fierce, strong woman to champion the causes about women and children. She is respected for her debating power, being multiple linguist, adds to her persona as a pan-Indian leader to a political party. Thanking a great deal to Khushbu ji, now I would request Mr. C.T. Ravi, the General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party, to address you all.
Wholeheartedly welcome Khushbu ji. We will protect the, more strengthen the national interest and strengthen the Tamil pride also. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I would now request Mr. C.T. Ravi ji as well as Mr. Murugan ji to in fact formally let Khushbu ji join Bharatiya Janata Party by giving her a stole of Bharatiya Janata Party, a patka of Bharatiya Janata Party and a bouquet. Please. Khushbu ji, come to the middle. Come to the center. Come here.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
उनको दीजिए, वो भी एक देंगे, मुरुगन जी. Murugan ji, you also give one stole. Welcome.
Thank you.
Come.
Once again.
I would request Mr. C.T. Ravi ji to give the membership slip to Khushbu ji. They want you off the mask.
Off the mask. Okay, my attention.
Heartily welcome. All the best.
Thank you very
Just
much.
a second. They want the bouquet also.
Ji.
C.T. Ravi ji, and you hold it. Thank you. I would now request the President of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Murugan, to please address us.
பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியினுடைய தேசிய பொதுச் செயலாளர் சகோதரர் சி.டி. ரவி அவர்களே, மரியாதைக்குரிய தேசிய செய்தி தொடர்பாளர் சகோதரர் சம்பீத் பத்ரா அவர்களே, மரியாதைக்குரிய ராஜ்யசபா உறுப்பினர் சகோதரர் இஸ்லாம் அவர்களே, இங்கு வருகை புரிந்திருக்கும் ஊடக சகோதரர்கள் உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய காலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியில் தமிழகத்தில் கடந்த ஒரு 6 மாதமாக மிகப்பெரிய அளவில் ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய மாற்றம் நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. பல அரசியல் கட்சியை சார்ந்தவங்க, பிரபலமும், இளைஞர்கள், மகளிர், பட்டியலின மக்கள், தொழிலதிபர்கள்ன்ட்டு பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியின் பக்கம் அத்தனை பேரும் வந்துட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னா அதுக்கு காரணம் மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு நேர்மையான ஆட்சியை கொடுத்து கொண்டிருக்கின்ற திரு நரேந்திர மோடிஜி அவர்களுடைய ஆட்சி தமிழகத்திலும் வேணும் அப்படின்ட்டு மக்கள் நினைக்கிறாங்க. அவருடைய வழிகாட்டுதல் தமிழகத்திற்கும் வேணும்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க. அந்த வரிசையில் இன்றைக்கு நம்மளுடைய சகோதரி திருமதி குஷ்பு சி சுந்தர் அவங்க பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியில் தங்களை இணைச்சிருக்காங்க. அவர்களை தமிழக பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியின் சார்பில் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you. Now I would request Ms. Kushbuji to shortly address us. You can use this and put it on.
Good afternoon to everyone. Respected Ravi ji, Samit Patra ji. Check. Hi, am I audible? Okay. Respected Ravi ji, Samit Patra ji, Murugan ji, Islam ji on the dais, and my very good friends from the press and everyone here. It gives me immense pleasure to take a step forward and become a part of Bharatiya Janata Party today, which over a period of time I have come to an understanding that if the nation has to move forward, we need somebody like our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to take the country in the right direction and to its glory. I am completely at service to Bharatiya Janata Party, and I promise to do my best at the responsibilities that will be given to me, and I'll do my best to make sure that my state, Tamil Nadu, sees victory in the upcoming elections in Tamil Nadu. And I am here as the millions of people of this country who have great hopes on Bharatiya Janata Party under the esteemed leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, that I will work like any other Kadar, any other worker, to the best of my abilities. Thank you very much. I'll speak to all of you individually a little later. Thank you.